Assalamu alaikum, what's going on everybody? I hope that you all are doing great and you all are keeping really cool. So most of the time when any situation goes wrong or anything unpleasant or surprising happens, then we say this is unreal. This is unreal. And it is really a commonly used sentence. আমরা কিন্তু এটাকে সচরাচর ব্যবহার করে থাকি this is unreal. So এখানে কিন্তু আরো একটা amazing way আছে যেই ওয়েতে আমরা এই সেম কথাটাকে এক্সপ্রেস করতে পারি আরো স্মার্টলি, and that is this is surreal. This is surreal. এবং surreal স্পেলিংটা হচ্ছে SURREAL. SURREAL. So next time যখন এরকম কিছু হবে, instead of saying this is unreal, we can say this is surreal, because surreal serves the same purpose just as unreal. Unreal এবং surreal both are similar in meaning. So next time we will try to use these smart ways in our conversations so that we can raise our level up in case of spoken English. So I'll see you again in another video. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz, and keep learning English easily, because you all know now learning English is easy peasy.